Dear students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 7th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let me begin the class.
Dear students, the topic is again operation on rational numbers. You have already studied about basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational numbers in 6th standard, and we revised the same in the last video. Also you studied about how to represent rational numbers on a number line. You also studied how to find out the rational numbers in between two rational numbers. You also studied about how to convert rational numbers into a decimal format and what are the different types of decimal format comes in the case of rational numbers. After learning all these operations related to rational numbers, here is a different turn for it. But luckily the turn is a very simple and easy turn in such a way that something which you studied about other numbers in the sense that integers, natural numbers and whole numbers, same principles can be applied in the case of rational numbers also. That is what is trying to prove here. I can explain it with the help of a very simple example. Here is an expression to simplify. The expression is 72 divided by 6 plus 2 into 2. In that case, we have two ways of solving this, but one answer only. 72 divided by 6 plus 2 into 2. This is the question. I can do this 72 divided by 6 first and getting 12. Then do this 2 into 2, 4 and get the answer as 16. In a second way, I can do it in this way, 72 divided by 6 plus 2 into 2, where I can do again 72 divided by 6 first and add 2 and multiply with 2 later. That is, this will become 14 into 2 and the answer becomes 28. The question is whether this is right or this one is right. This right and wrong is decided by certain principle which is followed in the case of operation on numbers. The principle earlier you have studied it as BODMAS. The same principle is applicable in the case of rational numbers also. So that way this video becomes a revision of that particular rule which is guiding the operation on numbers including rational numbers. What are the rules actually? Rules of simplifying an expression tells us that if there is more than one operation, in such a situation, multiplication and division to be carried out first. In the order it occurs from left to right, it can follow. But multiplication and division have to be done first, followed by addition and subtraction, again it in the order of how it comes from left to right. If there is a bracket, then we should solve the operation inside the bracket first and then come out and follow the rest of the operations, and within the bracket follow the above two rules. That means within the bracket multiplication and division should be done first, then addition and subtraction. Now in the case of the given sum, where it is given that 72 divided by 6 plus 2 into 2, what we have to do? We have to follow the principle multiplication and division to be done first. That means it is equal to 72 divided by 6, which is equal to 12 plus 2 into 2, 4, and answer is 16, which is right. Okay, so the method 1 was right. That you should remember, and you have learned about it. This is a revision of it, and but very important. Suppose this sum has to be done. There is multiplication, there is division, there is addition. Again, the first you can carry out as it is on the left side. You will get 400 for this, and division with the 5, then addition of 17, division with 5 over here. 400 divided by 5 is equal to 80 plus 17. The answer is 97. As simple it is, but first to do the multiplication, then the division as per the order given. Otherwise also, suppose that you are doing 10 divided by 5 first, you will get 2 as answer. 2 into 40 is equal to 80. You will get the same answer, but as a general principle we will follow the order from left to right. Here is another sum where you are having a bracket. If bracket is at this, inside the bracket should be solved first. So in that case, 80 divided by, I can do this 15 plus 8, 23 minus 3, and this will remain like this. Again still bracket is there. I will solve the bracket. 23 minus 3 is equal to 20 plus 5, and this way it will. Now there is division. 80 divided by 20 is equal to 4 over here, and plus 5, and the answer is 9. Understood? So this way you should do it confidently, clearly and quickly, so that you will solve the sums very quickly. Within the sum, this kind of situation will come in what order you should solve the sum. Okay, so this is very important. Here is something very interesting where you are having 1, 2, 3. And again here 4 brackets are there, arranged in different way. So the thing is that we are supposed to start from inner bracket and open one after another, one after another, do the outermost last. So let me try how to do it. 2 into the curly bracket, 25 into, then square bracket, then round bracket. 113 minus 9 is equal to 104. Close that bracket. 4, again 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 into 13. Close that bracket, close the square bracket, close the curly bracket. 2 into curly bracket, again 25. There is no need of bracket here, it can be written like this now, and 2 into 13 is equal to 26. Then you are having, I forgot to put the square bracket here just before 104. And this is square bracket. Within square bracket now curly bracket. Now what will happen? 2 into curly bracket 25 into 130. The square bracket is gone now. Now 2 into 25 into 130. Okay, 130 into 25 is quite easier. 0, 13 5s are 65. Here it is 130 into 2, 260, 0, 5, 2, 3, 3250, and that is 6500 is the answer. Follow the principle of bracket opening in such a way that innermost or bracket will be opened first. This is what I did first. First I attended the innermost, this one, then I attended this, then this result, and again within this square bracket this one attended, so the result is this, then attended these two within bracket, then at last the outer one 3250 is the answer. So my dear students, you should be very confident and clear about this order of doing. Now coming to rational numbers, same principle will be applied. Here is multiplication, here is subtraction. This needs to be done first in that case. 3 upon 4 minus 5 into 1 is 5, simple multiplication, 21. You got a number with subtraction sign, an expression with subtraction sign, and denominators are different. LCM of 4 and 21 is equal to 84. Easily you have to multiply 3 with 21, 4 with 21, so you will write it is just like this. It is 84 the common denominator, and 21 multiplied by 3 is equal to 63, right? 63 by 84 minus 5 to be multiplied with 4. 21 multiplied with 4, you got 84. 5 will be multiplied with 4, it will become 20. That means 63 minus 20, that is 43 upon 84 is the answer for this particular rational number operation. So there is nothing much new, but something very important, very basic, very essential, and you should be error free and doubt free in this. Otherwise your latest principles of mathematics you may be true, but you will fail in what we say in basic operations. It should not happen. Remember, brackets may be used more than once to clearly specify the order of the operation. Different kinds of brackets are there, such as a round bracket, square bracket, curly bracket are used nowadays. So solve the innermost first. This is very important. Innermost bracket to be solved first, then follow up solving the bracket outside in turn. That is very important. This principle of doing the operation you have studied in your earlier classes in the name of BODMAS. What does it indicate? Attend the bracket, and if there is anything of multiplication like half of 200 or 1/4 of 200, attend that next. Then division, then multiplication, then addition, subtraction. Division and multiplication can be interchanged according to the convenience and order. Addition and subtraction can be done interchanged according to the position, convenience and order. That much of freedom is given to you. But whenever you have any kind of sums, please do remember the BODMAS principle to be followed. You may do many big other operations, other principles of mathematics, but if you do mistake in the fundamentals, then the answer will go wrong. Just like in the first case we got an answer 16, another answer 28, and 28 appeared to be wrong. So the system was right. Such things should not happen. Students, you should be very thorough, very quick, expert and doubtless in the matter of operation of rational numbers. We studied about rational numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We studied about how to represent rational numbers on number line. We studied about converting rational numbers into decimal format. We now understood that the principles of BODMAS is applicable to rational numbers also.
Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.